How to link WhatsApp business account across devices. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to link WhatsApp business account across devices. Now, it's as similar as doing it or linking your device to WhatsApp or another device on WhatsApp itself. So first of all, you need to have WhatsApp business installed to your device. Now, first thing, I'm going to sign into this device and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, all that. Click on continue, allow all the permissions, ask for it, and once you've actually done it, so you want to click on use phone number, tap on settings, make sure to go and enable the permissions. And once you enable the permissions, move on to the next. You want to click on it once again. So now that you have enabled it, you want to make sure to click on the settings once again. After which, it's going to directly take you to the next field. You want to make sure to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. If you have any sort of verification enabled, you want to set it up as well. And now it's going to look something like this. So it's going to take a while in order to transfer the files or documents that was on your other device. Now then, tap on the next button. Make sure to tap or select it so and tap on next once again. And then you want to make sure to enable the permissions as well and tap on the next. And if you have any sort of verification or any sort of link, you could do or add in as well, or I'll just leave it as it is. And now that you've successfully set up your WhatsApp business account, now if you want to link across another device, right? So all you need to do is just go to the home page. Here it is. And tap on the three dot icon from the top right and click on settings. When you go to settings, then you have to simply go ahead and click on link devices. So here you should be able to find the settings options, and then you want to go ahead and tap on link devices, or just click on the QR code, and then you could just go ahead and scan the QR code, and that is going to help you out to link devices. So this way you'll be able to do it. So I hope the video was helpful. So here you could click on link devices. Here it is, and enable the permissions, and you could go ahead and scan the QR code, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.